This is already much more fun, isn't it? We can't even boil water yet.
Wait, no, it didn't switch.
Welcome back to Choose Your Favorite. This week we're looking at electric kettles. But before we begin, I want you to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell us your favorite in the comments below. Number 1, this is the Botom Bistro kettle. So what do? You push the top.
Okay.
So this is actually the one I have.
This is what you have.
This is the one that you have?
Yeah.
Tell us what you think about it.
Yeah. It's pretty good. It's pretty fast. I'm interested to see how it compares to the other ones, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with this one right now. So.
When you get up in the morning, you turn it on, you do this, and then you walk around and put on your, get dressed and stuff, and you come back and it's all set?
Yeah, it's usually about 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
To boil, yeah.
All right, so that's not too quick.
Yeah.
And it has a little blue light here that says it's on, is that correct?
Yep.
And then this is off, on.
And then it'll switch off automatically when it's done, so it'll just go like that, and then this is soap on top.
Oh.
I like that little button.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. Lovely. There we
Bingo.
go.
There it goes.
So this one, take a look at that and spin it around.
Fancy one.
This is the Hobbs retro style electric kettle. It is quite big.
I love the meter
It
right
is
here.
made of premium stainless steel. This is all steel. It's not plastic.
Okay.
Has an automatic shutoff, a water temperature gauge, and a removable anti-scale filter helps prevent little mineral buildup. It's 1 to 3 cups. You'd think it would be bigger than that.
Wow, I'm surprised because it looks like it could hold a lot of water.
My notes say makes 1 to 3 cups, but clearly it makes more than that.
It could.
I think maybe it has an easy gauge for 1 to 3 cups, which...
That's actually helpful.
That's cool.
You know, because sometimes you really just want a cup for yourself, so
Yeah.
this allows you to make a lot or a little.
So you gotta look at the little red
Yeah.
line.
I actually like that feature a lot because you have to look back and then in, like when you're pouring.
Number 3. I'm gonna put it right there.
So pretty.
Wow.
It reminds me of Alice in Wonderland, like a teapot.
It is with the Mad Hatter. So this is the Fellow Stag EKG kettle. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this.
Oh, we
thing
do it?
going.
Okay, so then you have to pour it in the middle, and then it said.
Well, no, that's if you're making coffee.
Oh, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're just boiling.
Never mind. Never mind.
But we do have a larger goal in mind. It's heating up really fast.
Wow.
I feel it already. It's hot. Yeah.
Do you think it's? Yeah.
Pour. Let's see how nice and boily that is.
Not gonna lie, that was a little underwhelming.
Is it really?
I wanted it to be.
Anything.
But I love that pour.
You like that?
I love that pour.
It's a little watering can for
It
me.
feels a little like
it's
a
like in the
pissoir.
garden.
Yeah.
But it is nicer, like if you were serving a party
Elegant.
or something.
Guess how much each of them costs. Let's start on the left with the Botom. You probably know that one.
You know.
I actually got it as a gift, so I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go with $30.
I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess 20. Ooh, bargain.
$17.
Not bad.
This one, the Russell Hobbs.
I'm gonna go 50 for this one.
50. Would you hear 50 once? 50
I'm
twice?
gonna do $74.99.
74.
Wow! I was close. I did the 99.
79. So we just went up, what, threefold? What about this one? This is clearly the budget version.
150.
150.
125.
All right,
There
I
you
got that one.
go. Yes.
150.
Like the price is right.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow.
The Russell Hobbs won by a clear margin.
Yes.
So you wanted to upgrade, the price was fine, and it shows you the temperature, and it's much better than the budget.
I think so. I like the stainless steel. That also wins me over.
Stainless steel, okay. Thank you, everybody. We've chosen our favorite. Choose yours in the comments below, and we'll see you next week.